Today, we'll learn how blood types work and why compatibility matters. Blood transfusions save lives only when the correct type is used. By the end, you'll learn who can donate, to whom, and why. Blood transfusions are common in emergencies and surgeries. If incompatible blood is given, the immune system attacks it. Blood typing prevents dangerous reactions and saves lives. Pause the video and think about these questions. The answers are: first question, no, not everyone can donate to everyone. Second question, O negative has no A, B, or Rh antigens. And third and final question, false, blood types are inherited. Continue when ready. Blood is made of several components with different jobs. Red blood cells carry oxygen and determine blood type, and the other components do not affect blood type. Antigens are proteins on red blood cells that act as ID tags. Your immune system recognizes these tags as self, and different antigen combinations create different blood types. Antibodies are proteins in plasma that attack foreign antigens. If incompatible blood enters the body, antibodies bind to donor cells. This binding causes clumping, which can be dangerous. Pause the video and answer the questions. The correct answers are: first, antigens equal red blood cells. Second, antibodies equal plasma. And third, antibodies cause clumping. Antigens themselves do not attack anything. The ABO system divides blood into 4 types based on antigens. This discovery made transfusions much safer, and it's still used worldwide today. Type A blood has A antigens and anti-B antibodies. This means it cannot receive B or AB blood. Doing so would trigger an immune reaction. Type B blood has B antigens and anti-A antibodies. It cannot receive A or AB blood, and these rules keep transfusions safe. Type AB blood has both A and B antigens and no antibodies. This allows AB individuals to receive any ABO type. AB is called the universal recipient. Type O blood has no A or B antigens. It can be given to all ABO types, however type O can only receive O blood. Pause the video and answer these questions. The correct answers are: the universal donor is blood type O, the universal recipient is blood type AB, no antigens is blood type O, and both antigens is blood type AB. Continue when ready. The Rh factor is based on the presence of the Rh antigen. Positive means Rh is present, and negative means Rh is absent. ABO and Rh together determine full blood type. Rh negative individuals can form antibodies if exposed to Rh positive blood. They should only receive Rh negative blood, and Rh positive people can receive both types. Pause the video and decide. The correct answer is no. An Rh negative person should not receive Rh positive blood because antibodies may form, which is very dangerous. Combining ABO and Rh gives 8 blood types. O negative is the universal donor, and AB positive is the universal recipient. Hospitals rely on these rules every day. Blood compatibility depends on antigens and antibodies. Doctors use charts and repeated tests to prevent reactions. Errors can be life-threatening. Here's a safe or unsafe self-check. Pause the video and check your answers. The correct answers are: A positive receives O negative, which is safe. O negative receives AB positive, which is unsafe. And B negative receives B positive, which is also unsafe. Safety depends on antigens and antibodies. Blood typing uses antibodies to identify antigens. Clumping shows which antigens are present, and this is done before every transfusion. Anti-A attacks A antigens, anti-B attacks B antigens. Clumping occurs if blood is incompatible. These predictable reactions prevent transfusion reactions. Thank you.